Okay, let's go.
I don't go outside, no, I've been laying low. I just missed the whole summer, now it's getting colder. People drive me up the wall and so I stay at home, but I'm still checking to see if they call like I was playing poker. Hey, 4 clubs, yeah, 4 clubs, I don't let them in, I put borders up like Americans when they voted Trump. Honestly, I like time alone. If you try to hit me up via phone, I'ma leave it ringing like a xylophone. You could leave a message at a dial tone.
Improve na naman yung culture na meron tayo na inumpisahan natin. Okay, so tulad nito, so welcome everyone. So today is about to boosting our proactive risk management. Katulad ng sinasabi ko nga sa inyo. So lahat tayo, we learn together to engage. So magkakaroon tayo ng pan-activities, reinforcement, our commitment in our goal.
So hello everyone, I would like to welcome everyone on this Safety Day event. This event serves us as a reminder that only thing is matters is your safety and your well-being on the place, and that all process we put in place is only for your personal safety. So today is what we plan today. So here is the so we have
para i-check natin kung ano yung mga hazards dito sa picture na to. Meron sa mga nabanggit ni Sir Rene yun kanina. So magtatawag ako. Parang challenge to para patalasin pa natin yung mga kaalaman natin para sa hazards. Tulad ng 6 major risks na laging binabanggit tuwing safety day. So, anong mga napansin nyo? Attendance.
hands up. Honorina, o pili ka isa, Honorina.
Una sa yun, Miss Honorina.
Ayan no? Basag yung bako.
Sa may equipment natin, tapos bago magtrabaho, pagtapos ng trabaho,
Romeo Sim, Pampamas Award for serving, being safety leaders, promoting safety. As well. Best actor. Picture nila, picture. Brand new iPhone. Ayan o, our NTBI Flower Donation Room. Walang sawang sumisipsip ng tubig. Naglilinis ng CR. Our lead man for carpenter, please come front. Sayaw ka ba? Sayaw. Okay, lamang. Son. Madali natin, baka matadapa pa yan. Leaders natin, to those na hindi natawag, we challenge you on the next safety leadership, kayo naman yung nasa unahan.
When you say those things, I don't think you realize what they mean to me. Messing with my head, I'm going ADD. Keep the memories, cause I don't wanna be just friends. Now I'm on my own, scrolling through the messages all on my phone. Thinking to myself that I just should've known you were playing games and trying to get inside my head. You said goodbye without saying a single word, and I stood by and watched your faded tail lights. That cold night when you said that you love me now.